Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I have the Apple iPhone 15 Pro and this is what it looks like when we open the box. We can take it out now, and then we also get a cable and then the usual quick start guides. We will go ahead now and set that phone up together. So we press and hold the power on and off button. The logo appears and we get welcomed here. So we swipe to open and now we can select our language. We're gonna choose English. And our region is Germany, so that is fine. And now we can choose our appearance, choose how you would like text and icons to look on iPhone. So right now it's set to default. We can set it to medium or to large. Set back to medium. I think you can see a little difference here. It gets bigger and smaller as we set it here on the bar. We say continue, and now we get to quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. If your other iPhone or iPad does not show options for setting up this iPhone, make sure it's running on iOS 11 or later and has Bluetooth turned on. You can also set this iPhone up manually. So we will do that manually. Sometimes it's just nice to start fresh again, but also if you don't have another iPad or iPhone, you want to start manually. So we say set up without another device. Written and spoken languages. The following languages are commonly used in your region. You can set up your iPhone to use these settings or customize them individually. Preferred languages, English and German, and keyboards, English and German as well. So we'll say continue as this is just fine. And now we can choose our Wi-Fi network. So we'll do that, and we need to put in our password. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. All right, we will wait. Data and privacy. This icon appears when an Apple feature asks to use your personal information. Apple collects this information only when needed to enable specific features, secure Apple services, or personalize your experience. Apple believes privacy is a fundamental human right, so every Apple product is designed to minimize the collection and use of your data. Use on-device processing whenever possible and provide transparency and control over your information. Your data on this device is also encrypted and will be permanently removed if you reset it to factory settings. Alright, we can click on learn more if you want to read more about it. I'm going to say continue. Set up iPhone. You can set up this iPhone for yourself or for a child in your family. Child accounts can be created by a parent or legal guardian for children aged 15 years and younger. So you can say set up for a child or set up for myself. Now you can set up a Face ID. We have a separate video for that, so we say skip this one, set up later. Now we can create a passcode. So we have passcode options. We have the custom alphanumeric code, custom numeric code, 4-digit number numeric code, or don't use passcode. We have a separate video for the passcode as well, so we say don't use passcode. Using a passcode is highly recommended. Yes, we know that for safety reasons. As I said, we have a separate video, so we say don't use passcode. Now we can transfer apps and data, get your existing apps and information like photos, notes, and reminders onto your new device. So you can say from iCloud, from another phone, from Mac or PC, or from an Android, or don't transfer anything. If you don't have another device you want to copy apps and data from, you can just simply not do it. And now we need to sign into our Apple ID. If you don't have an Apple ID, you can click here and then you can create an Apple ID. I'm gonna log into my account now. So if you're logged in to your Apple ID, we now get to terms and conditions, and here we can read through our terms and conditions and then say agree or disagree. We'll say agree, and now it's signing in. Make this your new phone. Here's everything set up as you had it on your other iPhone. We can say learn more. apps and data, don't transfer anything, settings, and then we can say continue or customize. Set up mobile service, we have a separate video for that, so we say set up later in settings. iPhone analytics, help Apple improve its products and services by allowing analytics of usage data from your iPhone. You can change your decisions later in settings. All data is collected using privacy and preserving techniques such as differential privacy and is not associated with you or your own account. We say don't share, but you can totally go ahead and share your data. Now we come to this slide, silent mode. You can toggle silent mode on and off or check its status in Control Center. Okay, continue. We have the action button. Press and hold to turn silent mode on and off. You can also customize the action button to open the camera, turn on torch, or access a favorite iPhone feature. We can customize that now. We have a separate video for that as well, so we say not now. Emergency and SOS. iPhone is ready to help in an emergency. Press and hold for emergency SOS. Press and hold the side button and either volume button to make an emergency call, crash detection, and in selected countries, emergency SOS via satellite. Okay, continue. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe to get started. And now we are on our home screen. This is what it looks like, and now we can go ahead and set it up further and use our new iPhone 15 Pro. So that was the initial setup of the iPhone 15 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.